The availability of clean water is becoming less due to the shortage of water resource and increasing global population. Membrane technology as a more efficient and cost-effective technique has been used at different parts of water treatment. At now, the market volume of membrane consumption in the world is near $25 billion per year. In this way, the main idea of our group is introducing of novel TFC membrane as nanofibrous TFC membrane. The main feature of these novel products are significant increasing of water treatment capacity, high salt rejection, reduced energy consumption in the plant. In addition, our membrane system compared to the other conventional TFC membrane have following advantages: lower pressure drop, significant higher flux, lower energy consumption, lower fouling, and also lower price. The main member of our company are Mr. Akbar Gazme as Managing Director, Mr. Mohsen Moslei as R&D Manager, and also PhD student at University of Tehran. And my name is Hossein Mahdavi. I am Professor of Polymer Chemistry at University of Tehran and also head of this team. The total volume of required investment in order to running industrial production is near $1.5 million, which $800,000 of this amount is for fixed investment and the other part is for working capital. Finally, we are completely ready to negotiate about joint production, investment attraction, and also sales of know-how of membrane production.